and good afternoon. Let's talk about deleting files off the cloud. In order to delete files off your cloud, you are going to want to go to the Creative Cloud desktop, select Files. Under your files, you'll see things you've done. Select the file that you need to delete. So let's say you have a redundant project. Once you have that file selected, you can just hit your right mouse button, then select Delete. You can then check your deleted files and see them in your deleted file. If you 100% know you don't need this anymore, you can then delete permanently, and it shows you how much space you're freeing up. So once your Creative Cloud storage starts getting a little bit full, I would download your files to a USB drive and then free up some space by getting rid of some older projects or demos that you've been working on.